Welcome back to Kungano na Chengeto in 90, brought to you by Tixozo Media. The story continues. She looks like she's smiling. Her eyes are kind of crinkled like mine when I'm laughing. So, how are you talking now? The mind is a powerful thing, and I am a powerful spirit. Just after the cradle of mankind was born, Musiki split people up so they would populate different parts of the earth. In each area, or continent, as you would say, he gave gifts to those he deemed worthy enough to start kingdoms, as well as forests and rivers. Cradle? Like you're ancient? I guess. I am the daughter of the first mother in our bloodline. Back to the story. Musiki bestowed various gifts, and mine were the gift of using silence to beat evil and music to gather support from the spirits, in the forest, that is, for healing. You mentioned see and hear no evil. Is that you as well? No. Those are gifts the sisters Musiki gifted me with had. Sisters who look for us even now. We ignored the signs and as a result failed to heed the threat close to us. A threat that has resurfaced and has been waiting years to get you. Tune in tomorrow at 6 for more Kungana na Chengeto in 90, brought to you by Tixozo Media. Thank you.